hazardous chemical storage and handling. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to talk about safety data sheets, proper chemical storage, and what to do if you are exposed to a hazardous chemical. First, let's go over safety data sheets or SDS. A SDS will have the following information: chemical hazards, chemical properties, instructions on how to handle said chemical, and how to respond if you are exposed to a hazardous chemical. Here is an example of what a SDS looks like. Notice how it has an identifier, a list of ingredients, and proper first aid measures. Please keep in mind that first aid measures will be different depending on the type of chemical exposure. Next, we are going to go over chemical storage and handling. All chemicals must be stored in a safe location with a proper label and must not be left open if it is not actively being used. It's also very important to remember that chemicals should not be stored in any type of water bottles or unauthorized containers. So, what do you do if you are exposed to a hazardous chemical? First, you must immediately move away from the chemical source and try to brush off any excess with the dry material. If you have any serious symptoms, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Another crucial thing to remember is that you always have to check the safety data sheet for that specific chemical. Some chemicals might react negatively to water or to the solution found inside of our eye wash stations. Chemical safety starts with you, so let's all try to follow these guidelines while handling any type of chemicals. Thank you for listening to today's Toolbox Talk.